Want to speak real Swahili from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SwahiliPod101.com. You are at a bus terminal where you're heading to a special hotel to check in for the first time. According to an email you received, what are the things that you need to provide to the staff at this special hotel? According to an email you received, what are the things that you need to provide to the staff at this special hotel? The email says that you need to provide your confirmation number and your passport details.
Nambari ya thibitisho. Maelezo kamili ya pasipoti.
You are at a bus terminal where you are waiting for your bus. There's a notice posted at the bus stop about a new bus route that will be introduced next year. What is the main advantage of this new bus route? What is the main advantage of this new bus route? The introduction of the new bus eases congestion for each bus on the 301 route.
Dibaji ya basi mpya inapunguza msongamano kwa kila basi moja katika njia ya 301.
You just got off a bus at the closest stop to your friend's new house, where he's invited you to a party. Which direction should you head to get to your friend's new house? Which direction should you head to get to your friend's new house? Although the East Road would have normally been the closest road, it's currently under construction, so you should take the South Road instead.
Tumia njia ya kusini.
You are at a bus terminal where you're heading to the police office to retrieve a lost passport. According to a postcard you received from the police office, what are the things that you need to provide to the police? According to a postcard you received from the police office, what are the things that you need to provide to the police? The postcard says that you need to present proof of identification and to pay a small fee.
Thibitisho la kujitambulisha. Ada ndogo.
You are exiting a bus terminal when a big notice posted on the bus stop catches your attention. The notice highlights permanent changes made to the bus schedule. How will buses on Fridays be affected? How will buses on Fridays be affected? Buses on Fridays will now start at 6 a.m. and will end at 1 a.m.
Anza saa 12 asubuhi na kuisha saa 7 mchana.
Suddenly you get bad abdominal pain and decide to buy some medicine. What are the instructions regarding the recommended dosage on the label? What are the instructions regarding the recommended dosage on the label? The label says that daily dosage 2 pills per day after eating.
Kipimo cha kila siku. Tembe 2 baada ya kula kila siku.
Your condition is not getting better, and you decide to go to the nearby clinic. You receive a medical report. What is the diagnosis? You receive a medical report. What is the diagnosis? The diagnosis is food poisoning caused by contaminated food.
Ugonjwa wa sumu kwenye chakula unasababishwa na chakula ambacho kimeingia chafu.
You just bought a few items from a local shop online. What information does the website say about the delivery date? What information does the website say about the delivery date? The website says that delivery dates differ depending on the delivery method, but all dates should be calculated from the next working day.
Siku za kufika zimeandamana na njia ya ubebaji, lakini tarehe zinafaa kuhesabiwa kuanzia siku ya kazi inayofuatia.
The day after ordering an item online, you receive an email notification. How can you track your package? How can you track your package? The email says that you can track your package on this website by logging into your account, and after logging in, click on your order history and enter the order number found in this email.
Unaweza kufuatilia mzigo wako kwa tovuti hii kwa kuingilia katika akaunti yako. Baada ya kuingia ndani, bonyeza historia ya agizo na uingize nambari ya agizo ambayo inapatikana kwa barua pepe hii.
You're reading the instructions of an electronic device you've just bought. What should you do in case of overheating? What should you do in case of overheating? The manual says that if you notice the surface overheating, unplug the device immediately and allow it to cool down before handling again.
Ukigundua bidhaa inapata moto zaidi, toanisha bidhaa mara moja na uruhusu ipate baridi kabla ya kuishika tena.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.